There is no just passion and motivation. Yes, when there is, it's very short, but it's in the doing that makes things go. People use all these words. Where is the motivation when life hits, or the passion when you're about to lose everything? There ain't no magic potion. It's in the work, and it will always be. Just do. Guys, I'ma drop 5 things for you that will help. 1. Start doing the things you hate but that move the needle. It's by showing up early, not late. You work that business, that YouTube channel. Homie, if there ain't no friction, then there's no growth, gang. So don't confuse movement with progress, cause you can say, I'm working, but when you look back, you ain't doing nothing, G. 2. Smile at your challenges, brother. Life will try to beat you to your knees, but you have to have the mentality to show up every day and prepare for battle. Gang, let me speak real. Most people don't care about you. It's only you and maybe your family. In life, we're going through different things. Your girlfriend or boyfriend left you. You worked for a promotion, maybe they kissed the boss's butt, or you failed a test. Don't let that derail you from the future. Bad things happen to all of us, but say, you know what? I'm still gonna show up and be that man. Is it easy? Hell no. But you gotta take the hits and keep going. Because on the other side of those challenges, God has a warrior waiting with all the rewards, and that's you. And remember, challenges don't stop, but that also means you will keep getting stronger and stronger. Bonus tip, G. I made the Playboys Playbook and dropped a free sneak peek for y'all in my description. It's also available in audiobook. This will help you spot manipulation and stay focused. 3. Plan your life. There's a saying that people don't plan to fail, they fail to plan. They just take the day how it is. You can't. Gee, I have my 3 years planned. Some don't even have their week planned. You gotta have your clothes laid out, breakfast ready, vitamins ready, hitting the gym. We all have our tests, but we can't cheat on showing up. Yes, some of us are not perfect, some are insecure, some are going through pain, but don't let that stop you from doing what you need to do, man. 4. Refuse mediocrity. Stop letting people say, it's okay, but mainly stop allowing yourself to not perform well when you know very well you're one dangerous Listen, if you know you got a beast in you, you know you could destroy every person at work. Your creative eye is dangerous. Your music is the best. You know how to win people. Don't sleep on it. It's your competitive advantage, so use it. 5. Learn to be patient. G, the grind is long. You'll experience pain along the way that won't even be describable. Listen, this world is competitive. These people want what you want, the car, the girl, the life, and they're putting in 10 times more work. Because the work you don't want to do, there's someone that will happily do it and work harder. So while you're watching that new trending video, someone is living the life they want. There's enough for everyone, but not everyone is willing to do the work. If you're willing to dream big, be willing to fail big. Because failures become stepping stones. I made a place for men to grow together. Yes, women are welcome, but I just speak from a male perspective and try to have a place where we can grow mentally and on who we are. So if you want to join the Man Cave, check the description below. You have a free 7-day trial. Check it out. Much love, fam.